Alright, our friend Alex here is about to indulge in the most delicious meal known to man. Parade Sloppy Joe and Parade French fries. Now what is your thoughts before taking the first bite?
I like mashed potatoes.
Well, go ahead, dig in. Oh wait, we didn't establish how long it's going to take you. Just eat it. Oh god. What does this taste like?
Tastes like ketchup. Tastes like mashed potatoes.
Oh lord. This is just crazy. We come into the world eating Parade baby food, and we leave the world eating baby food.
It doesn't taste bad, but just the thought of what it is making me not do this.
You don't even need to chew, you just swallow. It's just so chewy.
Oh, it's true.
This is just so funny. I love it. Make sure all your friends watch this.
Put it up.
Maybe Ellen will see this. She'll put you on her show.
Honestly, the fries are really good. This tastes like chunky ketchup. It's not as good.
Oh, I bet. I still owe you money now, huh? You're actually doing it. I thought you'd take a couple bites and be like, no, who's that? Who's that? No. Jake.
Well, I dropped down to $2 for this because $5 being too much for this.
Oh.
They got something really gross.
This is what we do at our job here.
You want dessert too?
Make each other eat crazy food. Oh, and he's scraping the plate. I love it. That's it. All right, buddy. Lick the plate.
Oh my god. Now we're going to have to do this.
Woo!